at the new place.
Yeah, if you see anything once you guys move in, then you can let me know. Alright. Yeah, but for now,
Ta-da!
no damage.
So now you guys won't hear the highway in the back of my videos anymore. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a new vlog for you because I moved houses this weekend. I signed my first lease in LA. Before we were like subleasing and stuff like that, but I actually left my camera's SD card recorded on my phone, but I'm taking you guys with me to my hair appointment with Bosef. He's amazing. I've got some new hair extensions that I want to show you that I'm gonna have him match like the extensions to my color because you know I do ombre. And then I have my lash appointment, bank, some errands, and then I'll show you my apartment tonight. It's kind of a mess though, but I'm excited. It's like a new beginning, plus it was a new moon last night, which is really exciting. So it's kind of like, yeah, like new beginnings, manifestation, just kind of, you know, that kind of thing. I'm so excited. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh. He got so much bigger. Yeah. So, what are we doing today with the color?
We're brightening up so that we can match your extensions.
So I wanted to show you guys the new place I'm just organizing. There's my clothes, of course, color coordinated. My bed, I put it together myself last night. It's a mess right now. I just got back from the Feral events, but let me show you around. There's literally boxes everywhere. All of these boxes. And then this is the living room, of course. It's a mess. There's the couch, my little Kylie Jenner pillow in the kitchen. It's pretty similar to the other place. The only thing different is that we have this closet now, which is awesome. You can take outfit selfies before you leave. The kitchen is pretty much the same. I will definitely do an entire apartment tour once everything is unpacked and situated, but I wanted to show you guys this so far. And we got the top floor, so there are high ceilings and nobody stomping above. So yeah, it's a mess right now, but I wanted to show you guys the progress because I personally like to watch interior design, interior decorating, and this shows like flip or flop, even though obviously I'm not like buying a house and flipping it, but it's kind of cool to see like the before and after. You can see the mess, and then I'll show you guys the entire tour once it's finished. These are the foundations that I got from CoverGirl. These are the colors I took with me today. Put some makeup in here. All of this is going to be either posted on Poshmark or I'm going to do giveaways, so yeah. And now I have to run to the post office, so hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little update with the apartment tour. It's coming along. We're moving in. It's not finished yet, but I've got my bed here. Let me just show you. So if you go to the living room, actually I'm excited because this mirror, we didn't have one before in the other living room, and it's the same like complex, but they're just like each apartment is a little bit different, but it's coming along. So we've got some furniture here. We just have to unbox these, and then this is my stuff. This is just like a bunch of little things. A lot of it is makeup. I don't need all of it. Our kitchen, which I actually really like it. It's the same kind of layout, you know, everything appliances as before, but it's nice. That's Chad's room. Then this is my room and bathroom. So at least I've got my bed all settled in. I really am trying to minimize on furniture. Like I don't want anything really, like I don't want a dresser, I don't want a vanity, maybe like a little mirror or something like that. I just, you know, do my makeup right here for now. This is my little light up mirror. You just go like that and it turns on. So got my closet right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sort of something like little to do my makeup and like have a light and setup. That's my filming, you know, little ring light, but I really don't want a lot of stuff at all. And then this is my bathroom. So I bought all of this stuff, all new. And yeah, this is actually my massager that I've been using. This has been helping me so much. Hold on, let me go over here because this thing is loud. But this is from Koa Elite, and I've been using this a lot for my back because my back has been hurting since I've been like moving all this stuff. Like literally the closet has so much stuff in it that I had to organize. Like if I show you, we just first stuffed a bunch of stuff in it, but then I had to reorganize it. Like Chad left and I was like, let me try to organize it somewhat so it's not just like all piled on top of each other. So I had to put all of that stuff up there. And when we were moving, you know, lifting boxes and furniture, all of that, it is, you know, I mean, I don't weigh that much and I'm not that strong. Plus, like if you guys didn't know, I do have like lower back problems. So little Kylie here. What's up, Kylie? But I do have sciatica on my right side, so I have to get like SI joint injections and all that, and it's just like not fun. So whenever I have to sit in the car or playing for too long or standing for too long, like if I'm washing my makeup brushes for like 30 minutes, I'm like, I can't do it because I start getting pain. So the fact that I had to lift stuff, it just was not helping at all. So this thing has been helping me immensely. You just use it as a massager, and I'll show you guys how I use it because this thing really does help. It's just very useful and it's small. You can take it with you. It's not like a huge massage chair. You know, if you're traveling, like how are you gonna take that with you? You know what I mean? So this you can literally like pack with you anywhere. It's very convenient, very small. You don't need to charge anything, so it's perfect. So I will link this for you guys down below if you're interested. Definitely check it out if you have any sort of discomfort. You don't have to have even pain, but just any, you know, knots in your body is just very good. Or if you have like your partner to do a little massage for you, like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey guys, new day. So I wanted to show you guys how I use the massager. I actually woke up today and I feel so much better. I did a belly dance class last night. It was amazing. I always like doing different classes. Like I always do different dance classes. I decided to come out here on our balcony. But I always like doing different dance classes like Zumba, hip hop, belly dancing. I like trying different things. I've done Bollywood, everything. Okay, it's too bright. It's nice out though today. And I actually want to start posting fitness / like Zumba dance videos for you guys. So if you want that, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, my body does feel better, but I still use my massager every single day. So I wanted to show you exactly how I use it. So you can totally use it on its own or use like a lotion or oil, whatever you feel better with. And you can use it all over your body. I like to do my neck because I find that like I was diagnosed with fibromyositis, not fibromyalgia, but fibromyositis, and you just get like this stiffness and pains, like they can be all over your body, but mine are specifically in the neck and back area, you know, and it's just, especially with my lower back, you guys know I have sciatica as well from like when I fell, so it's just like a whole bunch of stuff. But whenever I get like a neck or back massage, they hurt so much. Like people enjoy them usually, but for me, whenever I go and get one from a person, it just hurts so much. So just doing this by myself, it helps because it doesn't hurt. It's just kind of like soothing and relaxing. Like I really like this, especially if you're, let me close that. Okay, that was loud. But especially if you're just like laying down at night before bed, you can just do this. It's very, very relaxing. And like I said, it's not hard to do. You don't have to plug it in or anything. Also, massage is just good for circulation. I've been reading a lot of like articles about girls doing dry brushing all over their body, but I'm like, girl, that's gonna mess with my spray tan. I don't know about that. But this is really, really nice. You can do your lower back or have someone do it for you. So I really, really love it. I will link it down below for you guys. And I also want to hear from you if I should do 1, Zumba tutorials, and also 2, I want to know what like things are wrong with your body. Does that sound weird? Like just tell me like what issues you have. If you have, you know, something similar to me. I have like asthma, allergies, skin allergies, fibromyalgia, lower back pain. I don't know what I don't have, like honestly, or contacts, like seriously, I'm like all broken. But let me know what kind of issues you guys are dealing with. I really want to know, so that way maybe if I can help. Like my polyp surgery video got a lot of questions from people, so I'm always getting even like DMs to this day, and I did that video like 5 years ago. So to this day, people find it helpful. So if I can help you guys with some of your issues, or I'm just generally curious, because if I start doing these Zumba fitness videos, I want to know what issues you guys are dealing with. So let me know in the comments down below. And that is it. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, all of that is at Keep Your Chocolate. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.